Okay. Here we're going to do polynomial, okay? So, polynomial. Okay. Before we talk polynomial, something you need to know. What's the expression? And what is the equation? What's the diff?
等於咩？同埋
Expression and equation.
寫咩？
What's the difference?
寫咩同等於咩？
寫咩等於咩 Okay. X plus 4 square. This is expression equation. Okay. One more identity then. Okay. X plus 4 square equal to 16. This is expression equation. X plus 4 square equal to x square plus x plus 16. This one?
This is an equation.
No, this is identity. Okay?
Why?
Because this is always equal.
Wow.
Then this is equal in a specific value of x. Okay? If x is not 0, it cannot equal. When x equals 0, it's 4 square. 4 square then equals 16, right?
X equals to 0.
When x equals 0, 0 plus 4.
Oh, that is 4. Okay.
Can? So if x is not 0, this cannot be 16. So you have some some value for x, right? So this is called equation. And equation have an equal sign. This one, in all cases, they are equal. Because
But
this is
there are two answers.
No, they are infinite number of answers.
Huh?
X equals 0, they're equal. Because why? A plus b whole thing square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? I'm just expanding it using the same logic. So this one, these two are actually the same thing. Do you understand this? So this why you put x equal to 0, they're equal. X equal to 1, they're equal. X equal to 2, they're equal. X equal to 1, this is 5. 5 squared is 25. X equal to 1 is 1 plus x plus 16 is 25 also. Any number. Because they're the same thing. So this identity. Okay? Now, if they give you identity, ask you to solve x, you just tell them that it's a joke. Okay? Because it is not an equation. It's not no solution, you have infinite number solution, any number. Any number put in is the answer because they're the same thing. So find the value of x if x equal to x. Duh! You know? Or find the value of x if x equal to 4. What team this is? X equal to 4? Okay, because only 4 can equal to 4. Okay? So this is equation, this is identity. And given identity, ask you to find x is a joke. So what's the use of identity? Normally if you
help you solve equation.
No, not really. Normally they will ask you to find b. Not find x, find the coefficient of something. Then it makes sense. Because in this case you know b is equal to a. You expand this one, you see x squared plus x plus 16. By comparing the coefficients, you know b equal to a. Okay? Okay, so careful, this identity, this equation, this expression. Now when you have equations, right? Make sense? This step from here to here. Okay, fine. Put team for you. This one okay? Also puzzling. Take out the common factor 2. You have this, right?
No, not okay.
2x plus 4. Common factor is 2, right?
Yeah.
2 times 2, right? Then take out the 2, you left x plus 2, right?
Yeah. Yeah, correct.
So this one?
Correct.
Then this one, the 2 divide over 0 over 2, so this is like that, right?
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? So you have expressions. Make sense or not? No, because the 2 cannot be missing. Cannot be thrown away. There's no way you can divide. This one you can, because the 2 is divided over to become 0 over 2 is still 0. Can? So then you can say, okay, so remember expression in equation, okay? So today we're going to do polynomial. So what's the polynomial? Polynomial means that poly means multi, many, or few, okay, or multi, okay? Not really many, it means multi. Okay? Polynomial, what's a nomial? Nomial means term. Okay, nomial. Okay. So multi-term expression is called polynomial. Okay, so start with what's we'll call monomial. Okay? Monomial, this is monomial. This is monomial. This is monomial. This is monomial. Okay? So what's meant binomial? Okay, binomial means
This is not binomial.
this is binomial. This is binomial. This is monomial.
Why?
Because this actually is equal to 3x. But this you cannot make it one term.
Oh.
Okay? So 3 plus 4 is a binomial or monomial?
Binomial.
No, 3 plus 4 equals 7 is monomial.
Oh, okay.
Okay? X squared plus 7 is binomial. Okay? So this one is called trinomial.
Trinomial.
Okay? Trinomial. Okay? But from 3 onward, normally we just call it polynomial.
Okay.
Okay? Polynomial. Just to let you know what's the meaning of the word, what's the meaning of terms. Okay? What's the mean? How come they cannot be mixed together? Because they have different. They cannot mix together because the x have different degree. Okay? So this is degree 2, this is degree 1, this is degree 1, this is 0 degree or constant term.
0 degree, man?
3, there's no x, right? It said degree 0. Okay, it's not saying that the index is to power 0.
1, man?
We will talk about the x, the unknown degree is 0.
Oh.
Okay, so this is 2x plus 3, right? Degree 1 is because of the x, not because of this.
Okay.
Degree 0 because of x. This is gone, okay? X to the power 0, okay? So this is degree 0. Degree 1, okay? So this is degree 1, this is degree 1. This is degree 0, this is degree 0. This is degree 2, this is degree 0. 2, 1, 0. Okay, understand what I mean degree?
Yep.
Okay, good. So, all these are words that they will keep using.
Oh, maths. English.
Max is English. Max is account. Okay, it's just too complicated. Oh, they make it even more complicated actually. Okay, now the point. Now the point is that any expression degree. Let's talk about. Oh, okay. Yep. Now, if an equation or expression has the maximum degree, right? The max degree of your function, right, is 0. It's called constant expressions. Okay.
Okay.
Degree 1 is called linear. Degree 2 is called quadratic. That you learn. Degree 3 is called cubic.
Degree 4?
Degree 4 is called quart. Quarts, don't know what. I don't know. Degree 4 just call it degree 4 equation. Yeah. When you learn until, at least last time I learned until cubic also. Okay. From there on we call it a degree of n, that kind of things. Okay. So that's the first things. Okay. Some very basic things. Okay. For example, we say that 9 divided by 2 equal to what?
4.5.
4.5. Okay. So let's make it. Okay. Let's make it a remainder. What's the remainder?
4 remainder 5.
The remainder is what?
4 remainder 0.5.
The remainder, You know what's the
5.
remainder?
5.
The things that you cannot divide in
I know.
primary school.
Yeah.
The remainder is what?
5.
Okay, let's try. Okay, 9 kids, okay, 9, 2, what do you put here?
4.
Okay, 4, thanks. So what do you have here?
8.
8, so what do you left?
1.
So what's the remainder?
1.
Ah, not 5, eh? 5. What a joke. So
點解我會諗到 5 我都冇？
點知你講到咁快啊！真係騎嚟都爆。Okay, 10 divided by 3.
Yeah.
So what do you have?
3R1.
Okay. So now the expression 9 over 2, right? Or should I say that the 9, right, the number, right, can be rewritten as 2 times 4 plus 1. Okay. The 10 here can also be written as 3 times 3 plus 1. Okay. So 17 divided by 4.
4R1.
Don't let 1, always 1. Okay, 3.
5R2.
5, 15, 2. So what do you have?
5 times 3 plus 2.
5 times 3 plus 2. So, okay, let's write in a good manner. Okay, let's do the 2, 4. Okay, put the divisor in front. Okay. Okay, now you can see, right, anything, any number, now it's just a number, later it's not. Any number can be represented as divisor times quotient. This is called quotient. Plus remainder. Right? Any number is divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay, so tell me, right, 9, if my divisor is 5, what's the quotient, what's the remainder?
Quotient is 3, remainder is 4.
Good. Okay? So any number, if I tell you a divisor, you can make up this and this. Okay? I say
This is like primary school.
the quotient is 4. What can you say then?
The divisor is 4, the remainder is 1.
Can I have 3?
The remainder is 4.
No, cannot, right? Then the remainder will be 5, right? This greater than this will not be the remainder on any of them, okay?
Yeah.
But actually you can just come out, there is no exception, okay? Just do. Okay, so this is what you need, okay? But why are we talking all these things here?
Yeah.
Because now it's no longer numbers.
Oh, it becomes A plus B plus C.
Now it becomes polynomial. Okay, for example, okay, let's do something that you know. So if I have x plus 3 squared, okay, which is equal to x, okay, x squared plus 6x plus 9, right? We know that. Okay. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right?
Yeah.
So b squared is 9, right?
Yeah. 2AB.
2 times x times 2 times x times 3, so 2 times 3 is 6, right? 6x.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So we have this. So what do we have? So tell me, if x plus 3 squared divided by x plus 3, what will it equal to? What will it equal to?
X plus 3.
Good, very good. Okay.
Hang on.
No need, right? And the whole thing and cancel with the square, right? Cancellation before doing all these things. Okay, but the point is that if I give you this, divide by x plus 3,
It is equal to X plus 3.
of course,
But very complicated.
but you won't see it easily. And assume that you don't see it easily. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Because if I give you something with more than 2, you multiply them all together, right? It is become x, don't know how many x cubed, and don't know how many x squared, and don't know how many x, and don't know how many. You can't see it's actually like that. And then you divide something, You may not know. Okay? So assume that you don't know. But you know if you divide it, right? So you just don't know, okay? So see how you can divide it. Okay. How to do divisions in polynomial, okay? We use the long division method. Have you learned this?
Do first time. No.
Now, how to do polynomial?
Like I learned before.
Like any polynomial divided by any polynomial, right? Okay. The first thing is that if you can divide, make sure
This
that
is polynomial, man, not
monomial. This is trinomial. This is binomial. Okay.
That is binomial.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Two
can
times,
have
right?
the other
So then I just treat them as any polynomial to any polynomial, let's say. Okay? Because this one you know, okay? Easy. So let's just make it up first. Okay, learn from easy one. Now the first step, right, is to make sure that it is divisible. Then you do divisions, right? If I give you, okay, tell me in a remainder whatsoever form. Okay, 3 divided by 7. Duh!
Chill yourself.
You don't know how to do. Why? Because you
Because
shouldn't
it's
do
not
it.
beginning.
You shouldn't do in the beginning, right? So how do you see that whether I should really start to do? As a primary school kid, we don't know decimal, okay? Is that you got to check whether it's divisible or not.
Primary school know already.
The primary school, yeah, of course, what they know. Okay, fine, okay. Kindergarten, yeah. Kindergarten time. So how come they won't do division for this? Because to them it's not divisible. There's no
Kindergarten
remainder.
you learn divide what?
What then where you learn it?
Primary school you start to learn what?
Then primary school lah, okay.
Primary school I don't.
When you start to learn the time, you don't straight away learn the decimal and,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
fractions, right? You don't do simple divisions, right? So before you do simple divisions, you got to check 3 divided by 7. Then children will say, it cannot be divided, okay? Because the 3 must be bigger than 7. Got it? So if you want to divide, right, the numerator must be greater value than the denominator. Then you start to divide. Same thing, okay? Because now it's like that. So whether it's divisible or not, right? You must check the numerator's degree, right? Is it greater than the denominator's degree?
No, it's the same.
If it is greater or equal, are both okay. So in this case, this degree is degree what? These expressions, the biggest degree.
Add together. All the degree add together.
Not really the biggest degree.
Because
Degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. The biggest degree is degree 2.
Yeah.
Degree 1, degree 0. The biggest degree is degree 1.
So
Then
so
it is bigger than or equal to, we can do division. Okay? So when you do divisions, okay, make sure all these things are filled up. Okay, so if you have expressions like this, right? In the division there, you need to leave a space. Okay, because later you have something pop up here. Okay, I'll do the next question. Okay, and if the divisor have a space, you also better leave a space. Okay?
Huh?
Leave a space. What's the big deal? That means you got to make sure you have degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. Okay, if degree 1 in your expression is missing, leave a space there for it. If this is degree 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but that's degree 2, 3, 2, 1, but the 2 is missing, then leave a space for it.
Huh?
How what?
But there's nothing missing what?
In this case, of course, it's nothing missing. I say if there. If, right? Okay.
For sure it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 or 3, 2, 1 or 2, 1 like that.
You choose the biggest one and then keep going down. So if you have 5, okay, and plus 4, the kind of things, then you when you write 5, leave a space, 4, 3, 2, 1, and plus 4 like that.
Oh, okay.
And you have a lot of things pop in between later. Okay, so make sure every degree has its space. Okay. So how to do this? Okay, make a simple one. Okay, the idea is to write your quotient on top of this term. If you want to do this term, write a quotient on top of this term. Do not follow the right modes. Okay, right here. Okay, and the way you write is to make sure this number you write, or this symbol you write here, times the first guy will equal to this exactly. Okay, so what do you write? Value sheet x. Why? Because x times x is x square, which is the same.
Okay.
Okay? But then the consequence comes, okay? This time this give me this, therefore the second time, this time this, if you put it here. This is why I say you gotta leave a space if you need to. Okay? This time 3 is here, so plus 3x.
But it's still not 6x.
Do you get what I mean?
No.
Why do you get what I mean?
Why the one?
Why you ask other things when I ask you to focus on this?
This one I know.
Yeah, then. So do you understand why is it 3x?
No.
Why? Because x times 3 is 3x. You follow my finger?
Oh.
Yes, right?
Okay.
Do you understand why, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, that's all I need.
Then,
Then after that, right, now 17 divided by 3, we put a, okay, this is not good. 47 divided by 3. You put a 1 here,
yeah.
and then put a 3 here.
Yeah.
What do you do after that?
Minus.
Minus, right? You do a minus here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing, you do a minus here.
Oh.
Okay? The idea is when every one step you do here, I eliminate one term.
Okay.
So this one we got to make them equal. So the minus is gone. Okay? But the consequence you got to follow.
Mm-hmm.
So 6x minus 3x is 3x. And this is 9. Okay?
Okay.
So then
It's a high class
now
division.
this one, so what do I put to make this one? I just need to time 3. So therefore you have 3x plus 9 leave no remainder.
Okay.
This is why it is x plus 3 divisions.
Okay.
Good.
So it's wait. So for sure it's x times x plus then x times 3.
For sure is what?
It means the
Whatever you write here, they all got to be put according to here.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So if you got a space in between, you must put a space in between also.
Okay. Then how the numbers pop up?
What number pop up?
You say you got space, how the number pop up?
Oh, now I'm going to do one for you. Okay, so say any polynomials for me.
Say
Any polynomial here.
I say
Yeah. Yeah, x to the power 5 here. Any more? Plus 2x to the power 2 lah. Any more? 7 okay, I skip a lot. Divide by what? Anyhow, what sum?
2.
2.
Yes.
Is it?
Plus
Plus what?
4x.
Or 4x. 4x plus 2, right? Split nicely lah, okay?
Must be not nice then harder one.
Yeah, I will arrange it, then it will still be nice.
Okay.
Just like that. Let's give a gap lah, okay? So, how to think of that? 4 lah, okay? 4x and plus 2.
4x cube
4x plus
4x cube
4x cube, okay? Plus what?
plus minus 2.
Minus 2, okay, good. Okay, just like that.
Okay.
Now a lot of space in between here and there, okay, so let's do it. Can it be divided? Can, because this one's degree is degree 5. This degree is degree 3. So the degree is greater.
Oh.
Okay? You gotta ask yourself this. Otherwise it's dumb, okay? You write that, cannot write, of course cannot write, okay? So what do you have? Okay, 5, so x5. So x4 term do you have? You don't have, leave a space there. Leave x3 term, you don't have, leave a space there. X2 term is 2x squared. Okay, so positive, I put it here.
X1 term
X
leave a
no
space
more.
there.
Okay, so 7.
7 plus 7.
Okay. 4x3, and then there's no x2, and then there's no x1, and then constant term. Okay? So, same thing, I'm going to make the first, put it here so that this time this we go to this. So what should I put here? I'm going to put 1/4 to cancel with the 4. I'm going to make x5, so x squared. Okay? So that when you use this time, this the time, okay, it will be 4 times 1/4 times x3 times x2. 4, 1/4.
Because of 4 over 4, which is 1 times.
x2. Okay?
1 times cube. Eh?
The x3 is here, okay? The x squared is here.
But 3 times
3 times what?
x cube times x squared.
So it's x5, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. not x5.
Oh, x3 plus 2. Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you know how to, if I give you this, you know, you want to make this, you know what to put.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the idea is actually very simple. Use the number, handle the number. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Use the x to handle the x.
Mm-hmm.
Very simple. Okay, so if there's a 2x here, I would need to use half. The half with a 4 will give me the number 2 here. If there's 4 there, and if we have a 2 here, all I need is a half, because half times 4 will equal to 2. Can see?
Yeah.
Okay? And then if I have an x cubed, if an x5 here, then you put x2 here. x2 times x3 give me x5. Use a number, handle a number, use the x to handle the x. Good. So x5, right? What do I have? This time this 0, this time this 0, okay?
Huh? You assume it's 0.
Nothing there, right?
So it goes to 0.
So you want to make them whatever, okay? This one, because you time the first guy, the rest is consequence. It is are the consequences, okay? So this time this nothing, this time this nothing, this time this. This time this is x squared, right?
Yeah.
So x squared right inside x squared term here. So what do I have? Is minus half
yeah,
x squared. And no more, right? Okay? So subtract. This 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This one, subtract, I got
3 over 4 x squared. 3 over 4.
5 over 2
Huh?
x squared.
Not 3 over 4, man.
7. What do you do?
Not 3 over 4, man.
What do you do? Tell me.
2, huh? 2 times 1 over 4.
You do that?
No.
Why?
Ah, yeah.
Should you do that?
No.
Because it's minus, right? Subtract, right?
Yeah.
So it is 2 subtract minus half, right?
Oh, okay.
So it's 2 plus a half, right?
Yeah.
So it's 2.5, right? 2.5 is 5 over 2, right? Okay, so the next guy you got to handle is straight away this one. Can you handle? What should I put there? Should I put anything? Yes or no?
10 over.
Now, remember, you can do divisions only if
Wait,
this thing is degree 5, the divisor is degree 3. Now, this one is degree 2 only.
Yeah.
The divisor is degree 3.
Yeah.
So this is already the remainder.
Okay. Wait. Why? I thought the x squared already not there already.
What x squared not there already?
Oh, okay.
Can. So therefore, how do you write back just now things? I say, you say this things is equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder, right?
Yeah.
Actually, you can do that also. Okay, so that this things equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder.
Why quotient is 5 over 2x cubed?
Divisor quotient. This is remainder.
X squared minus 4.
Quotient. Divisor. Remainder.
Okay.
Okay? Okay? So
But divided is not x squared. Oh. 1 over 4. Okay.
quotient, right? Okay, try. Two x4 plus 3x3 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 2.
I try.
See what you get. Yeah. Another one, see x5 minus 3
But
divided
but
by.
you say got number pop out also don't have ah. 仲係冇啊
What do you have?
Let
Yeah, actually it's leave a space.
I'll leave it.
Okay, this is question 1, this is question 2. Try it. Okay, go washroom. Okay.
嚇
Go washroom. 去廁所。
？No number pop out 啊！
What number number？
你話有嘢會出嚟，有號碼會出嚟。OK。
咩叫
有 number 會出嚟。
有 number？ 咩叫有 number？ 唔係我話俾你聽，你留返個 space，因為中間 subtract 嘅時候可能會有嘢彈出嚟。
會咩？
頭先個 case 會，頭先個 case 第一個 step 唔會，就冇第二個 step 啦。
如果有
咁你見到？
彈出嚟點？
我照做咯，你當我係 zero，你當呢個係 zero，zero subtract something 啊嘛。
哦。
嗱，呢個 case 一定會有。
呢個會有。
呢個 case 會有係，試下。 OK 都。
啊，我都唔知我做到邊度。啱啱。
你唔會咁做個噃，不過都唔叫錯嘅。咦？你唔放嘢喺度 ，OK， 你睇多行呢個先係嘛 ？2x3 x4 good 啦 ，minus 2。minus 2x3 minus 4x3 呢個減錯咗。3x square minus 4x3 3x cube 啊，數幾多啊？3減4啫而家。
X cube。
x cube。Not really。
哦。7x cube。
Yes, 7x cube. Okay. x cube 即係點啊？冇嘢咪冇嘢咯。咁呢個咪冇嘢咯 ，blank 咯。跟住你咪照抄咯。照抄 minus x。minus x subtract nothing, right? Minus plus 1 subtract nothing 喎 ，plus 1咯，照抄咯。Then you handle the next guy, which is 7x cube. What do you put? The number handle the number, okay? We need the 7 and that's 1, right? So they put 7, okay?
7.
Yeah.
X square.
Good, yes.
你？
做乜嘢？又想諗乜
呢度
嘢？
一定啊！
又想諗乜嘢啊？
呢度上邊一定要係加，下邊一定要係減先可以整晒。
冇得加嘅喎，淨得減嘅啫喎。
冇事啦。7x cube 啊。
有咯。
但係前面係 minus 係咪
梗係唔係啦
？minus 呢度係 minus。
點解你擺 minus 啊？擺 minus 咪錯咯。
一定係加嘅咩？
唔係一定係加，呢兩個一定係整到呢個一樣。
哦，OK。咁呢個係咁，誒？呢個係 minus 2就係 minus 14x square。寫呢度啊？
梗係唔得啦，寫翻下邊。
寫呢度。寫喺嗰個零嘅嗰邊啊？
唔係，寫啱喺 corresponding 隔離嗰度。
呢度啦。係
啊 ，x square 嚟㗎嘛 ，x square term 唔可以寫喺 x 嗰度嘅。
minus 14x square。好，再減 0 minus 14x square， wow 0 minus 14 equals to minus 14。
咩話
？0 minus 14。
OK。
equals to minus 14。
啱。啱。
14x square minus x plus 1。咁撲出嚟一個 14x square。
唔係喎，我 zero minus 14我頭先講啊嘛。
哦。
zero minus 14 is positive 14啊嘛，你寫啱咗，你講錯咗啫。寫啱嘅 ，OK， 有繼續。
哇，頭髮啲，甩頭。
得頭 翻。
點解唔知？都係得。
因為你寫流水貓料。
我用嗰個 Jackie Chan 用過。
霸王唔得㗎。
啊？點解？
霸王唔係個個都啱㗎，霸王好油。你洗完之後，你個
香嚟嗰個味道。
你呢個香唔香啊？你噏住喺個 scrub 嗰度嘅時候，你個 scrub 如果有啲 oily 嘅話咧，你頭髮就會 drop 㗎啦。唔啱你喎，唔使嗰啲霸王嘅嘢就冇用。我反而覺得軟冷嗰啲唔錯，但係好鬼貴，70幾蚊支。
下一個就 get rid of 14 square plus 14x哇！點解越嚟越大嘅？
唔緊要㗎，
minus x minus 28x minus x minus 28x minus x minus 28x is 7x
good
plus 1.
good very good。
Wow.
好簡單呢個。
3 plus 27.
very good。
哇！點解越嚟越大嘅？
唔使理冇㗎啦，跟住。
27x。
未完喎。
我知道。
54。
4.
4。咩啊？係 54。
55.
咩得？
Remainder 55。
冇錯，有55。OK，嗱學識咗，咁你識唔識寫個 form 啊 ？OK。Try to write this form. Okay. 2x 4 plus 3x cube minus x plus 1 equal to 乜嘢 times 乜嘢 plus 乜嘢？What's this? What's this and what's this? Try to write.
咩意思？
You write this.
就寫落嚟啦。
Yep. This one, right? Equal. Okay. Equal.
係啊。
Okay. What times what plus what? Just like the long divisions, right? So what do you have?
What times what plus what?
Yeah.
X minus 2
Good. Divisor
times
times
2x
quotients.
plus 7x
Bracket them
plus
nicely.
4x plus 27 plus 55.
Yeah, bracket. And bracket. One more.
Okay.
Yeah. Then bracket 就變 x minus 2 times of something. Okay. You go to bracket 有 x minus 2 times another part. Got it? Yeah. Do the same thing for this. Okay. Try to do it. This one a lot of things are missing, but numbers are very simple. Okay. Must master a long division. Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1 minus 3. Square plus 2. Wow! Wow! X 3, X 5. 哇！一大堆嘢搏出嚟。
係啊，有排做，都唔係3個 step 嚟㗎，因為佢個 divisor 都 jump by 2。
So divisor.
The divisor is x squared plus 2, so these are one term also.
係啦，so x cube must times the divisor 0 also.
Yep.
So here is also 0 lah.
Yep. Good. Then the one more
But
term.
negative 0 1 or not?
No have.
It's plus lah. Okay, never mind. Can don't write right?
Yeah, can don't write. Yeah, can just leave a space there.
Then after that, 2x cubed positive, okay, never mind. Then minus finish. So 咁呢個0同0都係冇晒喎。
0 minus 0咪0咯，咁咪又 leave it blank 都得，leave it blank， yeah。
咁又要揾呢個0喎。
梗唔揾啦 ，first non-zero term 嘅，咁你發覺一個 term 冇咗啦。喂，後面嗰啲抄埋佢喎 ，last 嗰啲抄埋佢喎。
哦。咁呢個0就唔使理。
唔使理係，
咁就 plus 2x cube 4x。
你唔記得留個 gap 喎？等陣錯咗啦已經，壞啦。
嚇？點解咧？
你呢個根本就中間有個 gap 噶嘛？你 2x times 呢個擺喺呢度嘛？2x times gap 咧就有個 gap 喺度啊嘛。
呢個又變成一個 gap 咯喎。
冇錯。
呢個係一個 gap 咯喎。冇錯。呢個就冇嘢啦。
Good。
呢個就4。OK。0 minus 1 plus 4 which is minus 4。係咪
Yep。
minus 3。
Wrong。Right. Sorry. Minus 3 yeah. Good。
and minus。
喂，仲早傻㗎？
唔可以啦，因為呢個比呢個大。
係啊 ，equal 或者係大個都仲可以做嘅，細個就唔可以做啦。
So it's x cubed plus 2x x squared 咁呢個咧
Leave it blank 咯，冇 blank 㗎係啊 ，blank 就寫咁嘅 x square plus 2咯。唔係等於嘅喎，再加咩啊
？Plus minus 4x minus 3。
咁成個 expression 係咩啊？之前乜嘢等於呢個？Write this, write back this. You wrote this, okay? Also write this.
Equals to minus 3。
Good. Okay. 明啊？即係
咁寫啱啊？
啱啊，啱嘅。你咪
唔會睇成
一樣嘢。
係啦，但係佢唔會睇成係 minus 4大於 minus 3啊。
梗係唔會，但係你 bracket 錯咗啦，應該係 minus 4x minus 3就咁寫咯。你要 bracket 都咁 bracket 啦，係嘛？加咗佢再 bracket 啦。嗱 ，log divisions is for you to use to divide any polynomial to any polynomial. But there is the second type called syntactic division. Okay, you must learn also. Okay, but this is a lot easier. Okay, but they have limitations. Okay, so it's not all cases can be done by syntactic division. Okay, but syntactic. Okay, syntactic division. Okay, should we jump to some example? The syntactic division is different from log division, but you have some limitations. The first one, right, is that
something like elimination method.
Make sure the expressions
I mean like
has no common factor.
Common factor, which means three. Common number or common factor?
That means they both have 2, right?
So cannot.
So it's not cannot. Make sure you cancel it first. Okay. Make sure you make it to. Okay. Then you start. You don't do standard division here, but do division here. Okay.
How to do x? Well, how come you don't do x?
2x squared minus plus 4x, right? Take out the 2, you got x squared and 2x, right? Okay, if this one take out the 2, then the 2 cancel, right?
Oh, and the 2 cancel.
Yeah, you know this divide means this is below, this is above, right? Okay. So that's the first. Second one, the divisor must be linear.
Must be huh?
Must be linear.
Oh.
So you cannot do anything more than a linear divisor. That means the divisor must be in the form of ax plus b. Cannot be anything more than that. Okay, too bad. Yes, you cannot do this.
So it's
Third thing is that
degree only can be 1 and 0.
degree can only be 1 and 0.
Or 5 and 4. Cannot be 5 and 2.
The third one, right?
Is it?
Sorry?
The degree can be 5 and 0, but not 5 and 2.
5.
5 and 4.
No, the device, the one that, okay, this is the divisor, right? This can only be in the form of x plus b. Cannot be x squared, cannot have anything square and cube. This one is anything.
Okay.
Make sure there are no common factor.
Mm.
Okay? Divisor must be linear.
But
The
the
third one, a must be equal to 1.
u equals to 1.
A equal to 1.
A equals to 1.
Okay.
A
Okay,
equals,
about a equal 1, right?
A equals 1 means what?
Okay. Answer,
Must be equal to 1.
answers common factor, okay,
Ow.
must be dropped.
Drop it.
Dropped.
What is
Just
it?
drop it.
Oh, drop.
Just drop. Yeah.
But drop it.
Dropped. Must be dropped. Okay. 得唔得
Means what?
即係總之你 answer 你都揾到個 common factor 咧，就掉咗佢，掉咗 common factor 佢，就直接攞個冇 common factor 嗰個咧就係 answer。
Huh? Which means
The reason is you
prime
start with
number.
no common factor. Okay? Example. Okay, straight away go to example. Okay, example. Just now we did. Is this one with x minus 2, right? Okay, so how to do syntactic divisions? This is the way. Syntactic. Syntactic means it's a simulated type of divisions.
Simulated is what? Make by yourself.
Simulated, not stimulated. Simulated. Okay. That means as zip is a division.
But it's not.
Not really division. Okay. So let's do it. So your questions is now you have 2x4 plus 3x3 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 2.
2x about 4, right?
Yep, 2x about 4. So how to do syntactic divisions? These are the steps. Okay. The step is to write out the coefficient only of all the terms. Leave space or you can add 0 in between. So this one, and we use a reverse L shape. Okay.
Oh, like finding the LCM like that.
Yeah, but it's nothing to do with that. Okay, so you got 2, 3, 0, minus 1, and 1. Okay.
Coefficient is what?
Coefficient 2, 3, 0, minus 1, and 1.
2, 3, 0. Where got 0?
The 0 is the x squared term. The x squared term. There's no x squared term there, right?
Oh, okay.
Can? So
Can.
put a 0 there.
Oh, so it's the same one.
Okay, yeah, little space or something like that. Okay, but now you can still put a 0 there. Okay, so divisor, you don't put x minus 2 here. You try to equate it to 0. Okay, so what do you get? You get x equal to 2, right? Okay, so put a 2 here.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
must like try to find x.
not really. Listen to me. Okay, so what you need to put here is that this time this give you this. So 4.
6, 0.
And then
minus 2, 2.
sorry, what am I doing?
Oh, I can't remember. That's rare.
No, put it here. Sorry, 4.
Okay.
Okay, and then this. So this time this give me here. Okay, and then this plus this give you down here 6.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey.
This time this. Wait, I'm blurred already. How come? What am I doing? Shell. Yep, sorry. Confused.
I thought it was easier.
Yeah, it's easier.
No.
It's easier. Now, this 4 arrow or 5 arrow now, you just add. This add this equal to this. Okay? On each arrows. Okay? And then you have this arrow. Sorry.
Ow.
It's just quite easy. Yeah, just
It looks very complicated.
yeah, later you find it's very easy.
Ah,
Oh, this is distracting. Who is that?
Yuan Xing.
Okay, now after that you just use this 4 arrow. Put in here. Okay, now but how you do this? This one is time equal.
Oh, what?
Okay.
No idea. 2 plus.
2 plus what? Nothing, right? Because there's nobody can contribute to this blank, right? You can only see the blank get contributed by this guy after you have this. So 2 plus nothing equal to
Nothing. 2.
2. Good. So now you have this inside this box. 2 times 2 equal to
4.
4. 4 plus 3 equal to
7.
7.
7 times
2
2.
14. 14.
14.
14.
28.
28.
27.
27.
54. Correct. 54.
Okay.
55.
Your answer is 27. This is a remainder. The last guy is always a remainder.
Okay. Can the last guy be 0? Is it possible? No. Maybe. Yeah. Wow.
Easier?
No.
A lot easier. This is the quotient.
So, oh.
One shot! You do so many lines,
So
one shot!
this one copy 进去就是了啦。
Yeah,
Change
the
the
remainder is
coefficient.
5. Yeah.
Just change the coefficient.
You're right, so the whole expression is like
Why 2x cube not 2x to the power 4 meh?
follow the first constant term backward.
Oh.
Okay? And you see, I got the same thing.
Where? Oh.
Okay? And you did so many lines, eh? For me? Oh, just some shot, one shot.
Yeah.
So this is a lot easier.
Yeah.
But remember the limitations, okay? You have all these limitations. Okay? Now if
What's the
you
limitation again?
the limitation is that the divisor can only be a linear factor. Okay? And secondly, right, you must make sure it started without any common factor in both sides. If yes, cancel it both sides first.
So, minus 2 and 2
Sorry, okay, nonsense again. The first one is the linear factor. This guy's must be linear factor. Second limitation is that this guy's no common factor. Sorry, you don't have both. Only this guy don't have common factor. So you divide by 2x minus 4, right?
Yeah. So it must become
X minus 2 first outside, then you divide by another 2.
uh-huh.
Okay, take it out. Okay? So make sure the divisor don't have common factor.
Yeah.
Okay? The third thing is that if your answer 2, 7, 14, 27 don't have common factor. If you have common factor here, throw away the common factor. That means if you see 2, 8, 14 and 28, right? You can have this. Okay? Throw away the 2. So the answer is 1, 4, 7, 20, 24.
So divide by 2
So then the expression is 24, 7x, 4x squared, and x cubed.
What? No idea.
If your answer is 2x 14.
Divide by 2 that means everything.
Yeah, okay, so you
But 28 divided by 2 is
7.
not 24.
Oh, sorry, 14. I'm wrong. Okay. So make it 14, okay? So 14, 7x, 4x squared, and x cubed. Yeah.
If 2, 8, 14, then the last one is 27 now?
2x 14, last one 27, no issue.
Okay.
So remember, the remainder is this. Okay? So let's try. When will you see common factor things, right? It's actually when your divisor's coefficient is not 1, but doesn't matter, okay? You will just see it, just throw it away. Okay? For example, if you have x 5 plus x 4 minus x plus 7 divided by, let's say, 2x plus 1. Okay? This can use linear division because it's a linear. And secondly, there's no common factor here. Okay? If you common factor, you still can do it, but just take it out. Okay? So what will happen is that you will write this 1, 1, x cubed 0, x squared 0, x1 is minus 1, and constant term 7. Okay, and then write in here, and then now equate this to
X equals to 1 over 2.
minus 1 over 2.
Okay.
Okay?
For now, 1
Okay.
minus 1 over 2. 2 over 4. Why 1 over 4? 1 over 4. Minus 1 over, oh yeah. 0 minus 1 over 4 is 1 over 4.
It's plus, okay? Here, all plus. Add, right?
Oh.
Okay? In linear division, you don't have to subtract, it's all add, it's very simple. So this to this is minus 1 over 16. Minus 1 over 16 is minus 17 over 16. Okay, so we got minus.
Minus 1 over 16 is minus 17 over 16.
Yeah, minus 1, right? You got minus 1 here.
Minus 1 plus 1.
Minus 1 is equal to
16
minus
over
16 over 16.
Yeah.
So add, right?
16 over 16 plus 16 over 16. Oh, plus 1. Or 17 over 16, correct, yeah.
Okay, so we got, and this you got positive. Okay, so this is why I allocate, okay. 7, 7,
224 over 32.
224 over 32.
32. Wow.
224?
Yeah.
Cannot be that.
Can.
You cannot have common factor.
But calculator.
Plus, right? You plus?
Yeah.
Go to minus?
Yeah.
Try again.
7
Plus.
plus
7 over 32?
7 over 32, not 17 over
17 over 32. Yeah, plus.
Oh, 7 and 17 over 32. Which is 7.53125.
Okay, give me a fraction.
The fraction is 7 and 17 over 32.
7 and 17 over. I want a fourth fraction.
Don't have.
What kind of calculator is that? Dua. If you add together, it's 17 over 32.
241.
Sorry?
241.
241, is it? Okay. So you see, right? What's the answer?
Oh,
Minus 17 over 16
sorry, that's my mother.
plus x over 8 minus x squared over 4 x cubed over 2 and x4, and the remainder is this. Sure? So the division. Okay? Now you see, right? Oh. Read that.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yeah, sure.
Very urgent. Map.
Okay. The third rule I say is that you got to throw away the common factor, right?
Huh?
You got to throw away the common factor, right?
Yeah.
But actually, I'm supposed to give you questions that have common factor, right? Actually, I try to give you a function that common factor, but it seems like don't have common factor. Okay. So, let me change the third rule again. Okay. So if the coefficient of x, right?
The rule not written in the book one.
No, it's not. This method is a shortcut method. Okay.
But made by you.
Not made by me. Okay. Last time AMAX textbook have it. I learned from textbooks. Now don't have.
Then why you?
Don't you think it's a lot faster? Okay, it can be done. Okay.
But 他考试的时候没有考。
Of course, no, they won't ask you because everything can be solved by long divisions.
But if I use this, it won't.
Of course, it's correct. Everybody knows it's actually a piece of common sense nowadays. Okay.
Okay.
So all the linear factors use this method. Okay. You'll be a lot faster than your peers. So let me adjust. Listen to me. Let's just adjust the third rule. Okay. Unless they say use long division, no choice. Okay. Otherwise, just ask you to find it again. Find it. Okay. Then the third rule is supposed to show you that you have a common factor which does not have a common factor. Okay. So what happens is that actually you can see, right? If you say this is this one time divisor plus quotient, so plus remainder. Okay. This time this is not equal to first term.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's wrong already. Why? Because when you have this things which is not 1, right? All your number find, right? You actually have a common factor of 2. But this is why I ask you to throw a common factor, but this seems like no common factor. So remember, divide these things. If it's not 1, divide it. If it's 2, you everybody divide by 2. Okay? Must divide your A. Okay? But this is actually half. This is actually 4. This is actually 8. This is actually 16. This is actually 32. And this is 64. Yep. Okay, then you'll be correct. And this is 64. You see, this time this gives you the x5. This time this gives you x4. This time this gives you x2. This time this to give you the x term. This time this, right? Yeah. And then this time the last one, and then use this one also, this one time this one, then you calculate, right? It will give you the same expression. Okay, then finally plus the remainder for the last term. Okay, they'll be equal. Okay. Now, so question 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, you can see. The question 1A can be used in negative divisions. 2 also can. And
3A cannot.
3 cannot.
3B cannot.
Yep. See now, also A, B can. The C, D, E, F all cannot. Okay. But this is very powerful because in A level that time you got a lot of divisors of linear factor. Okay. So every time you do a long division, it takes a very long time. Negative division helps. So try to.
They never teach negative.
Oh yeah, they don't teach. They don't teach. Trust me. Okay. Your school depends. Okay. Your teacher is good, then they will teach. The teacher think that the student cannot study this, cannot study that. Those will not teach. Yeah, because the long division is a must learn. Okay, standard division is optional, but to me it's a must learn also. So you can try. Wait, that is remainder theorem, theta theorem. It's another thing.
The one haven't teach yet, right?
Yep, haven't.
Okay, so I don't need to do it, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, exercise 4.1 is common sense, so just do it if you want.
Huh?
Yeah.
Common sense.
Common sense, very
Wow.
common sense. 4.1.1, 4.1.4.
But 4.1 can do it in another easier way, right? Another easier way.
Okay, do this. I put beta there. Do this.
Eh, so hard.
Yep, do this trick. Keep expanding, okay? There's lots of hard work.
It's like something like equation, right? Must I use the divisor method?
No need. Yeah, just basic equation. This one nothing to teach. unknown quantities. Now this is identity. Okay? When you have identity, you just compare the coefficients. Okay, so this is very simple. You won't have any problem at all. Just compare. Okay. Number 9 is double rate. Double rate means G-man. Use a graphing software. Okay, who cares about software? Okay, do not worry. This one, okay. Now you try to do standard divisions for the 1A and 1C. Okay, see if we can do the 1A and 1C. How for bring me the L40?
Yeah, I got.
Thank you. Cool. Thank you. Well, let's scrap some more.
I do have other things.
Cool. Oh, expensive man. How much?
$3.
$3. Pay the $3.
Still must download one patch from media file.
Oh, okay.
Ow. 20.
Here's an example for you to refer. Okay, try. Can you remember the synthetic division?
The what?
Syntactic division.
What is synthetic division?
The one. x5 plus 4 divided by x minus 2.
Oh, the long division.
Yeah, the syntactic.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Can you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Wait, then 0 how?
Sorry?
0.
Time lor. Time and put lor.
5 means 0.
Time 0, 0.
0 then don't put.
0 means okay what? Correct what? Finish already.
Ah.
That means you got no remainder lor. That means just divide perfectly.
Then this one?
Then means you miss one term. That means this is constant term, right? This x term, this x squared term, right?
Oh.
Do backward. Constant term is 1. In front put the x term, no x term, right?
Yeah.
So the next one put the x squared term.
X
So it's 2x squared, right?
X. 2x squared.
Good. Yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
Just like that. Yeah. And no remainder, right?
Okay.
Okay. You just try the one that with long divisions. Okay.
Huh? 4. C use long division.
C is long division, right? No, not linear term behind, right? Yeah, it's not using linear terms. It's x squared minus x plus 2.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this time go back to master your long division and standard divisions and do some polynomial in front. Okay, they're common sense. You just kind
This one just solve for this one.
Yeah, just solve,
This-
right?
this
Just solve and identity and compare
one,
those things. This one just substitute the value, you get answer already. It's actually very dumb. Okay, if you anything don't understand, right? Anything don't understand, just read the example in front and okay, they're asking you to do all these things.
看不懂 example 的时候。
Huh? Yeah. Don't worry, all this example is cheap, man. So come on, this example I don't think any problem with that.
Okay.
It just px means this or qx means this or and then rewrite it like that or. Yeah. Wrong.
Huh?
Just 9 is right. Right.
-5 -4 what?
Use your calculator. Okay, don't trust me there. -5 minus -4.
-5 plus. Oh, okay. Right.
Yup. Good. Nope. Yep, sorry, you're right.
8. Oh.
One more place is wrong. -x times -6 is 1. What's the x? Yeah, good. Weird, huh? You never leave a space there. Here. You didn't leave a space.
Correct what? 2. Oh.
Yeah. This is why you see the 2 term and the 2x term clash. No, this is correct. Yeah, this is wrong.
-2.
Okay.
It's blank. It has -2x.
Good.
-8x squared -2x.
Wrong.
From where?
Positive 2x. 0 minus 2, right?
5. Oh yeah.
Careful, okay? Yeah, this is the horrible thing that I always make the mistake myself.
-8 -6x.
Great. Okay, do some more? Yeah, I can't do any more, right? Good. That's the way. Okay. Now, so we remember standard divisions. Remember.
How to write the answer?
It depends on what they don't want you to write. If they want you to write the quotient divisor remainder, then you use the original expression
Times plus.
Inside.
Times plus.
equal to this times this plus this.
Then you write this also, right? Write the.
Yeah, it depends on what they want to find. Okay. If you just want to find the answer after division.
Or result.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. If they want to find this way, find this way. Okay. It's just a method for you to do a division with expression. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, today just learn a bit of this. The next lesson I will ask you for all the chemistry again. Okay.
Oh.
Make sure you bring chemistry and also your physics. Okay, remember.
Let's do science.
Up to you lah. Okay, you want max, you want science.
Science.
Okay.
Science.
Saturday, right?
2号。
好，好啊。
哇。
So your payment is paid until today, right? Or included today or excluded today?
Until today.
Included, right?
Right.
Yep, thank you.